Hey crafters, welcome back to my channel Because I'm Crafty. My name's Katelyn. Today I'm going to show you another video in my DIY home decor apartment series. I'm going to show you guys how, with the help of my boyfriend, we totally DIY'd this table. It was an old furniture piece, part of a dining room set, and we completely transformed it into a breakfast nook / sewing table. So here you're getting a sneak peek at the finished product, so you can really see the transformation that we made from the before and after. The color scheme for this table is inspired by the fabrics that I chose for my decor pillows for my couch and the duvet cover that I'm making that will be another video coming up soon. So here you can see the original, and we've taken some putty to fill in any damages that are present on the furniture. And we've smoothed it out and sanded it to make sure that when we paint it, there's a nice clean surface. Now, as you can see from the before picture, we have also removed the doors on the front so that I can have space to place my sewing machines in, and it just creates more of an open concept type look. For this portion, we have also removed the drawers on the front, which we will definitely be using for the finished product like you've seen in the pictures at the very beginning of the video, but in order to do this part, we have removed them to make sure that we can do all the sanding, filling, and prepping it for painting. We've also taken off the back of the furniture so that all the extra nail holes and things can be filled as well. So after we sanded everything down, I made sure to give it a good wipe and try to get as much of the excess dust off as we could. And then we moved on to the painting portion of this transformation, and we used some Rust-Oleum chalk paint. We used linen white for the bigger portions of the furniture, and then we used country gray for the tabletop, the two open portions on the side of the piece, and the shelf on the bottom. We did apply quite a few layers to this piece, and that was mostly to get the coverage that we wanted, but also so that we could sand down some of the edges to give it a little bit of a distressed look like you see here on the drawers. So after everything was painted, we distressed it with some sandpaper and then wiped the dust off again. We took a Rust-Oleum clear coat and made sure to give good coverage on the drawer fronts, and we also sprayed the larger furniture piece as well, making sure to get the top, the sides, everywhere. Now it does eventually look in this video a little bit patchy. You may have noticed that in the pictures at the very beginning of the video, and it was definitely way too windy the day we sprayed it down. So we have purchased 2 more cans, and we're going to give it another good spray to make sure that we have a nice even coverage so that the surface of the paint lasts longer and resists chipping and all that kind of stuff. And you can see also the shelf brackets that we've added to the back, and that is to hold the wood plank that my boyfriend put together and stained in a very similar gray color, and that's going to serve as my little breakfast nook portion of the table where my stools will sit at. And here you can see we're just replacing the original knobs back onto the drawers. And I really liked the original knobs, so I decided to keep them and not replace those with new ones. And here we're just screwing the bracket onto the top plank, which makes a really great added tabletop surface. And here is the finished product with my stools and the distressed look, and you can see those open sides are perfect spots for my sewing machine and my serger. These stools I absolutely loved. I got them from Home Depot and they matched my decor really well, and I just love how it came together. I love how the shelf on the bottom is perfect for all my bins. I've got some lovely storage in the drawers on the front, and it just works out super well for my space. I can sit down in the morning, have my breakfast, and pull up a machine at the end of the night and do a little sewing if I want. We did also add some wheels to my table, so if you want to see what that looks like, you can head over to my Instagram at becauseimcrafty. Check out all the extra insights and little detailed pictures of all these projects in this series. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for tuning in to this DIY home decor apartment series. I have a few more videos that I'm working really hard on to edit. There's a lot of footage to go through, so I'm trying my best to get through those for you guys, and hopefully they'll be up in the next couple weeks. I hope you guys have been having a great summer. I know it's almost finished, but let me know down in the comments what you guys are planning for your fall and winter sewing. It's that time of year already, it's crazy. If you guys aren't subscribed already, make sure to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time, crafters. Bye!